Animal habitats. Let us explore. As we need a home to live, so do the animals. These are the homes of some animals. The natural living place of an animal is called a habitat. Animals live in places which are suitable for their living and survival. Habitats for some animals may be forests, deserts, mountains, oceans, seas, polar regions, ponds, and lakes, or around our homes. Forests. Forests are homes to a large variety of animals. Big cats like lions and tigers and bears live in dens and caves. Elephants, giraffes, and deer live in the shade of trees. Monkeys, squirrels, and birds live on trees. Rabbits in burrows, snakes in holes, and small insects on the forest floor. Deserts. Deserts are very hot and dry places. There is no water or little. The bodies of desert animals are designed to survive without water. Camels don't lose water through sweating. It can store water for many days. It stores the food in the form of fat in their humps. Their long eyelashes can keep sand out of the eyes. Oceans. Oceans support the greatest variety of life. Fish, octopus, starfish, sharks, whales, crabs, and shrimps live in oceans. Polar regions. The Arctic region in the north and the Antarctic region in the snow. The animals live there can survive the severe cold temperatures. Mammals like seals and whales have a thick layer of fat called blubber under the skin to keep them warm. Penguins also have a thick layer for fat under the skin. Polar bears have fur which gets thicker in winter. These animals fast asleep in winter in a warm den. This is called hibernation. Wetlands, marshes, ponds, edges of lakes and rivers are the wetlands. These provide shelter for insects, fish, amphibians, birds and mammals. Ducks, geese, kingfishers, cranes and herons live here. Mountains. The climate on the mountains is very cold. Animals living there have thick woolly fur. Snow leopards, mountain sheep, eagles, vultures and hawks live on mountains. Animals and their skin. All animals have to survive in different environmental conditions and protect themselves from their predators. So they have different skin coverings on their bodies. Fur. Fur makes them keep warm. It helps them blend with their surroundings so that they are not seen by their enemies. Scales. Reptiles like snakes, crocodiles, alligators, lizards, fish and some insects have scales on their bodies. Scales protect the skin of these animals. Scales protect them from scratches and bites of other animals. They protect their skin from getting dry. Shell. Shell is the hard outer skeleton on the body of some animals like turtles, oysters, snails and crabs. Shell helps them to hide from their enemies. Pearls are formed inside the shells of oysters. Feathers. All birds have feathers. They are strong and flexible. They contain keratin. These help the birds to fly. Feathers keep the birds warm in winter and cool in summer.